I'm sure you've thought to yourself, I wish creating a Shopify store was a simple task. Well, wish no more, because since October 20th, 2025, the e-commerce world has changed forever. Using a powerful and innovation AI tool called Lovable, you can now create a beautiful, fully operational Shopify store using just a few simple prompts. In this video, we're putting Lovable AI to a real, honest, real-life test. We'll build a Shopify dropshipping store together, step by step, and see if Lovable can truly generate a store that makes us all say, wow. Well, let's find out. So before we start, let's quickly understand what Lovable AI actually is. It's a platform that lets you build full-stack web applications just by describing what you want in plain English. No coding, no design. Simply type your idea and Lovable automatically creates the front end, back end, and database for you. But you probably wouldn't see me make a video about this if it didn't have something to do with e-commerce, right? So here's where it gets really exciting. On October 20th, 2025, Lovable launched direct Shopify integration, and that changed everything. Now you can describe your store's niche, products, and layout, and Lovable will generate a complete Shopify store, product pages, checkout, design, and all. Once the store is built, you simply claim it inside Shopify, connect payments and shipping, and you're ready to go. So in this video, I want to build a niche store. And for that, I'll quickly use the Product Explorer inside Zik Analytics to decide which niche I should focus on. This tool gives me powerful data like how many units were sold, what kind of marketing drives traffic, and how each product performs across other Shopify stores. That way, I can instantly see whether a product or niche is actually successful or just another short-term hype with no real sales behind it. So by doing this, I can base my store creation on real data and products that truly sell, not guesses. So I'll add my filters. I want to see dropshipping products with at least $5,000 in revenue in the past 30 days. Then I'll go ahead and click search. Okay, so after reviewing the results, I actually really like this diffuser product. It's been sold 593 times in the last 30 days. And I can see that it's sourced for around $14 and sold on Shopify for about $40. That's amazing. So to verify that this niche is strong and get more product ideas, I'll go to the Product Explorer and type in the name diffuser, and let's hit search. Just as I suspected, this niche is booming right now. The number of units sold each month is huge across multiple stores, not just one or two. And with the pre-holiday season and Cyber Monday coming up, this niche is perfectly timed. And look at that! There's even a car diffuser and some that look like flames when they're on. Golly. This car diffuser, for example, sold 170 times in the past 30 days, and I can source it from AliExpress for $16.35, while the Shopify dropshipping store sells it for $39.99. That's around $22 of profit per sale after Shopify fees. Okay. So I think we found our niche. Let's build our dropshipping store around this amazing oil diffuser niche. Okay, so let's open Lovable AI in this URL and start with our first prompt. So let's type this in. Create for me an online niche store that sells different models of oil diffusers. These diffusers provide an aromatic scent and help keep the air less dry. I want to create the ultimate dropshipping store that sells these oil diffusers, a store that feels professional, trustworthy, and welcoming to buyers. Use the Shopify integration to make this happen. Perfect. Now, let's hit enter and see how Lovable AI builds our store from this single prompt. Okay. So now I can see Lovable AI is thinking, and after about 2 minutes, the first responses are starting to appear. So it says, I'll create a premium oil diffuser store with Shopify integration. Perfect. That means it completely understands what we want to build. But then it adds design inspiration, high-end wellness brands like Vitruvi, calming aromatherapy aesthetics with clean, trustworthy design. And that's awesome because Vitruvi is a well-known high-end oil diffuser brand. So Lovable is clearly pulling from professional design references. I can already see the first draft of design being generated, including the design system, fonts, colors, and layout components. Now, this part is important. It is very important. Lovable also shows us the next step for connecting the store to Shopify. It says, when ready to sell, prompt claim store to get your 30-day free trial. After the trial, you'll need a paid Shopify subscription to continue selling. You can keep developing as long as you want before claiming. So basically, once we're happy with the results, all we need to do is type claim store. And that's when our store will be officially created inside Shopify. Okay, so fast forward a bit, I can see that the design process has started, and after about 4 minutes of generation, the first results are showing up. The website looks great, and we already have a strong foundation to build from. Lovable even suggested a store name, Aura Haven, which honestly fits perfect for an oil diffuser brand. Of course, we'll need to refine a few details to make everything just right, but this is already a really solid start. I also see Lovable giving us a quick step checklist. What's next? Add products. Create your diffuser catalog through chat. Refine design, customize colors, text, and layout. Test checkout. Once products are added, test the full purchase flow. So basically, we've got the base design ready. Now it's time to start adding products and shaping this store into something truly professional. Okay, so now let's move on to the next step, adding products and then refining the design. We're going to add 3 products we found earlier using Zeek Analytics, all verified with sales data and proven demand. Here's how I'll start. I'll type this prompt inside Lovable AI. Here is the 1 out of 3 products I want to add. Title, Volcano Flame Diffuser, and then I'll paste the full product description from the supplier. Set the selling price to $39.99 and upload the product images from the supplier on AliExpress. Okay, so it's generating the data now, and it's asking for permission to create Shopify products. Let's allow that. Looks like everything's ready, and I've been asked to refresh the page to see the results, so let's go ahead and refresh. Nice. It looks good overall, but I can see that the product title and the default variant don't really fit here, and it's also missing the images I uploaded earlier. No problem. I'll ask Lovable to make a few quick adjustments. Remove the title, adjust the text to look more organized, add the rest of the images I provided to the product and add them as secondary images. Okay, yes, that looks way better now. And overall, I like this product page layout. Okay, meanwhile, I've added the other 2 diffuser models we found earlier using Zeek Analytics, and everything is now inside the store. So with the products ready, it's time to move on and start working on the overall store design. Things like colors, layout, and homepage sections to make the store look clean, professional, and ready to launch. Okay, so now that we have all of the product in place, let's move on to the store design. I want to start by adding a hero image, that big banner visitors see first when they land on the site, and also an announcement bar that highlights our key offer, which is free shipping worldwide. So here's the prompt. I'll type in Lovable AI. Add the image I provided as the hero image and create an announcement bar with the text, free shipping worldwide. This will instantly make the store look more professional and welcoming. Plus, the free shipping message helps build trust and encourage buyers to explore the products. Okay, it's really starting to come together now. The announcement bar looks perfect. For the hero image, I wanted to keep it cleaner and more focused. So I added this prompt. I want the hero section to look cleaner. Keep only the background image and make it slightly more visible. Keep this text. Transform your space with Haven and add 2 buttons, shop diffusers and learn more. The results look amazing, modern, elegant, and with a clear call to right when visitors land on the page. But then I had another idea to make the hero section really pop. I asked Lovable to add a floating mist animation to give it that calm, aromatic diffuser vibe. Here's a prompt I used. Add a mist animation effect to the heroes section so it looks more like a gentle mist is traveling across the section. And after less than a minute, you can see it looks incredible. It adds movement, atmosphere, and instantly highlights the uniqueness of these oil diffuser products. I love how it turned out. It feels polished, professional, and truly on brand for Aura Haven. Okay, so now I want to add some final design touches to give this store an even better, more premium vibe. First, I'll ask Lovable to change the color palette. I want to go with metallic blue, white, and metallic black. From my experience, these shades work perfectly for gadget and electronic style stores, giving that sleek, modern, high-tech feel. This should instantly make the site feel more professional and trustworthy while keeping the modern, elegant look that fits perfectly with our diffuser niche. Okay, so the next thing I want to add is a blog page. This will make the store feel more complete and also help it rank higher on search engines like Google and Bing. Here's what I'll ask Lovable to do. Create a blog page with 5 articles, each including an image and short text about topics like how diffuser oils help improve health and relaxation, the benefits of aromatherapy at home, how essential oils can boost focus and productivity, why diffusers make perfect home gifts, tips for choosing the right scent for your mood. Also connect this new blog page to the Learn More button in the Hero section. This will not only add valuable content for visitors, but also help our store build trust and visibility through SEO, a smart move for any Shopify dropshipping brand. Okay, another great idea is adding the Contact Us form on the homepage will make the store feel more professional and trustworthy. It also gives potential buyers an easy way to reach out with questions or feedback. This way, customers can easily connect with the store and all messages will be sent directly to your inbox. Perfect for quick responses and better customer service. Now let's finish the header and footer so navigation is clear and the store feels complete. In the header, I'll ask to add Contact Us, blog, and Buy Diffusers. And I'll link Buy Diffusers directly to our products. Nice, I see it's generating and there's an error message, but let's give Lovable a second to resolve it on its own. Worst case scenario, we can always roll back using the history button, so I'm not worried. But it looks like Lovable fixed it automatically and the header looks great. Really nice work. And in the footer, I'll ask Lovable to add and create links to the shipping policy, privacy policy, and refund policy pages, along with social media icons for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And after about a minute, the footer finishes generating, and to be honest, it looks really great. Everything's perfectly in place and the policy pages are already filled out and linked correctly. It's looking clean, professional, and ready to go. Okay, so before I reveal the online store we created entirely from AI prompts, if you've enjoyed this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to our channel. It truly helps us a lot to bring you more content like this. And if you want to start adding data-based products with proven demand to your own online store, you can try Zeek Analytics for only $1 for the first week. Okay, so let's take a moment to review our creation. And keep in mind, I used fewer than 10 prompts to reach this point and build a fully functional online store. Overall, the store looks clean, professional, and trustworthy. Exactly what a buyer wants to see. Everything is working smoothly. The design feels balanced and the layout looks great right from the first draft. For a setup that took less than 10 prompts, I'm genuinely impressed with the results. There weren't many misunderstandings between me and AI. Pretty much everything I asked for actually happened inside the store.
Okay, so now that we're happy with the results, it's time to claim the store and migrate everything to Shopify. Don't worry. If you still want to make changes or add new elements later, you can continue editing through Lovable AI even after the migration. So I'll click Claim Store. At this point, I can choose to either connect the design to an existing Shopify store or create a brand new one. If you choose to open a new store, Lovable gives you a 30-day free Shopify trial, which is really nice. Since I want to fully test the process, I'll sign up for a new Shopify store, fill in my details, and on the next screen, I'll click Claim Store to connect everything. Once that's done, I'll open the store from the Shopify admin dashboard. To make the store visible on Shopify, I'll need to publish it from Lovable. And while I'm at it, I'll also change the favicon icon to something that fits our brand better. Now, coming back to the Shopify backend, I can already see that all the products I added through Lovable are fully synced, just like that. And now, the moment of truth, let's open the Shopify store and see how it looks live.
It honestly looks really good. I'm honestly impressed by how clean and professional it turned out, and more than anything, by how easy the entire process was. Creating a complete functional Shopify store entirely from AI prompts in just a few minutes is seriously impressive. From here, the only 2 steps left are the usual setup, adding a custom domain and connecting a payment provider like Shopify Payments, and the store is ready to launch. Now, if you decided to try Lovable, you can start for free with the free plan with 5 daily credits a day, daily credits, which lets you generate a few prompts, build and test your store concept. If you decide you need more credits, a custom domain, private projects, or team collaboration, you can upgrade to the Pro plan, which is what I used in this video. It costs $25 a month, and if needed, you can always upgrade to higher tier plans for more advanced features or team use. For the whole project I showed you here, it took me 25 credits, which honestly isn't much. If I had decided to do the same thing using the free plan, it would have taken me about 5 days, since the free plan gives you 5 daily credits. So even on the free plan, you could still build a complete Shopify store just over a few days instead of all at once. So there you have it, a fully functional, professional Shopify store built entirely from AI prompts using Lovable. In just a few minutes and fewer than 10 prompts, we created a complete, clean, and trustworthy store that's ready to sell. I have to say, I'm genuinely impressed by how smooth and smart this process was. No complicated setup, no coding, no design work, just clear prompts and real results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That is soon going to reach 100K subscribers. Yay! And don't forget to let me know in the comments what you think about building Shopify stores with AI. Thanks for watching. Keep moving forward, and I will see you next time.